How to crochet an easy dishcloth for beginners using cotton yarn. Hi everyone. Welcome to Craft Drawer. I'm going to show you how to crochet a super easy dishcloth using just single crochet stitches. This is perfect for beginners and great for using cotton yarn, whether you've got a pretty solid color or a fun multicolor skein. These make great gifts or items to crochet for your home. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. Basic stitches. Before starting the dishcloth, be sure you know the basic stitches. Chain stitch, foundation stitch. Single crochet, SC. Double crochet, DC, optional. Let's get started. Here are the materials you'll need. 100% cotton yarn, like Lily Sugar Cream. A size H8 or 5 mm crochet hook. Scissors. A yarn needle for weaving in ends. I'll leave a link below on where you can find these items. Dishcloth pattern. For a simple dishcloth, we'll use single crochet stitches. Let's start with a basic pattern. First, you have to start with a slip knot. This is the beginning of how you start a chain. Start with a slip knot, then chain 26 stitches. You can adjust the size depending on how big or small you want your dishcloth. Now, we will move on to the first row of the dishcloth. Single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Then single crochet across the entire row. You should end up with 25 stitches. Next, we will continue with the main body of the pattern. Chain 1 and turn your work. Then just keep single crocheting across each row. Repeat this until your dishcloth is a square. That's about 25 rows to match your starting chain count. Make sure to turn your work in order to keep your dishcloth square. Here's a tip: you can fold the dishcloth corner to check if it's square. You can determine what size you make your dishcloth. Once you're happy with the size, fasten off your yarn and weave in your ends with a yarn needle. You can also add a simple single crochet border all the way around if you like. That's it. You've just made your own crochet dishcloth. These are great for your kitchen, cleaning, or even gifts. Don't forget, cotton yarn is best because it's super absorbent and durable. If you are giving these as gift, you may want to provide a gift tag with instructions on how to care for the dishcloth. Check out some of the links below for more dishcloth patterns and suggestions for yarn and crochet hooks. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner crochet tutorials, and comment below with what color yarn you're using for your dishcloth. Happy crocheting!